Hello from Cookbook Divas. This is Carrie, and you guys have all been asking us to look at Life is What You Bake It by Vallery Lomas. And I'm pretty sure Katie is going to steal this copy from me and do her own cookbook look through and review too, and that's fine. You can pick whichever one of us you want to watch our review. So this is recipes, stories, and inspiration to bake your way to the top. And it's starting off really pretty with a gorgeous photo of her. Clarkson Potter is the publisher. Ooh, family members. I'm loving these photos so far. Oh, I love the way they showed the table of contents with colorful pictures. Cobblers, pies and tarts, cakes, morning treats. En France, cookies and bars, bread, donuts, and other fried things. I love donuts. That's a weakness. Ooh, cinnamon rolls, something I don't personally get to eat because I'm allergic to cinnamon of all things. Well, at least I'm not allergic to chocolate or wine. So introduction. She quit her job as an attorney to become a baker for one simple reason. She had a burning desire to do something different with her life. She couldn't continue to give the best hours of her day to a job that she wasn't passionate about. Good for you. Love it. Okay, here's from Louisiana to Los Angeles. Competing on the Great American Baking Show and what that was like. Ooh, beautiful photo of a cranberry orange tort. Gorgeous. And how to use this book. A baker's pantry and fridge. First chapter of the book, morning treats. Now I can't show you the whole book, so I'm going to pick a few good pictures. Oh, Great Grandma Lily's biscuit legacy. Biscuits are something I'm struggling to master. I'd like to try. Accordion biscuits. If I served my boyfriend something like this in the morning with his coffee, he would be so happy. Oh, step-by-step photos and tips for your biscuit practice. Okay, I'm not going to let Katie steal this book from me. I need it. Strawberry smash, strawberry jam. Make your own English muffins, but it's so easy to buy them. No, okay, I'll be strong. I will try to bake more things myself. Blackberry oatmeal cake. I can't show you the whole book. Raspberry coffee cake. Make your own buttermilk. No, thank you. Moist muffins and loaves. Cornmeal pancakes. Banana Foster oven-baked pancake. Very Louisiana. Sweet potato pecan waffles. And look at this beautiful child. Oh my goodness. Waffle swirl. French toast. Now we're moving to another chapter. The French chapter. Her first taste of France she's writing about. Clafoutis, which I love and I never make. Twice bake almond croissants. I can barely bake them the first time. I'm not sure I'm baking them twice. Here's crepes, which I like to make, but it's hard to keep them warm when you're making the batch for the rest of the family. So I'm putting a towel over them, hoping they don't dry out. Here's info on soufflés and how difficult they are. Lemon honey Madeleines. I'm probably not going to make those because Costco sells them and I can just buy them. I never said I was a baker or cook. I'm just a cookbook reviewer. A very dramatic crepe cake. That is gorgeous. Okay. Vanilla Ganache Macaroons. This cookbook is for people that are not lazy. And here's the macaroon silicone silpat mold that you can use. I don't own one because I'm lazy. Buckwheat galettes. Canelles. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Hitchhiking Bordeaux. She's telling some personal stories. Now we're in the cookies and bars chapter. I'm going to endeavor to not show you the entire book. Red velvet thumbprints. Cute. Okay, let's just find some highlights. Tips on how the cookie crumbles. I appreciate her tips. Use sugar. I think I'm going to like reading through this when I get off camera. German chocolate sandwich cookies. Looks delicious. I confess my nephew just moved into his first dorm and I baked him Betty Crocker pumpkin spice cookies from a mix because I was lazy. Dark chocolate sea salt brownies. Now we're in the Cobblers, Pies, and Tarts chapter. I am very likely to make pie. Picnic peach cobbler. Yum. Pie is something I will take the time to make. How to make the flakiest pie crust. A peach crisp. I like crisps because you can just dump the stuff on top and call it good, mostly. I mean, that's oversimplifying it. Double crust apple pie. Beautiful. Bourbon pecan pie. Yum. Or just drink the bourbon and eat pie. Candied sweet potato pie and another lovely family photo. Cooking sweet potatoes, a banoffee pie, chocolate caramel tart. Passion fruit tart. I can't show you all these photos. You need to get your own cookbook. A fruit tart. Okay. Crawfish hand pies. Now that's unusual. I like making hand pies. Here's some pie crust tips, etc. Now we move into the cake chapter. Here's where I really have to control myself because I can't show you everything. Pound cake. A heart cake, a Granny's $1 million cake. I'm sure there's a story behind that, and I'm going to go back and read it later. Can't read it to you because you need to get your own book. Here is a almost ate the plate carrot cake. Carrot cake is my personal least favorite cake, but you probably really like it. Here's a punch bowl cake. That's beautiful. And some family having cake together. Oh, I see a king cake. Very New Orleans. A red velvet sheet cake. A pecan bundt cake. Christmas in September. Not sure why they celebrate that, but that's cool. Cranberry orange tort. Let's see. Gathering the crumbs. Now we're in the bread chapter. I am loving this cookbook, by the way. This review is, yes, you need to own this. Biscuits. Dinner rolls. The evolution of dinner rolls. Here's cinnamon rolls. Challah. Proof the dough, wake up the yeast, etc. A Zulu babka. And hot skillet cornbread. I love making cornbread, although I often cheat and use a Krusty's mix. Brioche, NYC bagels. Donuts and other fried things. I love donuts. I've been disappointed when I made donuts at home. They weren't as good as when I go to a donut shop, so I don't go to that much work anymore. But here's Tiger donuts. Air fried donuts, chocolate cream filled donuts, old fashioned donuts. That is my favorite kind. Something about the texture and the glaze. Beignet fingers. And hush puppies. Oh, I love hush puppies. And as a vegetarian in New Orleans, I've eaten a lot of them because when I go to a fish boil with my friends, hush puppies are about the only thing I can eat. Now we're in the back of the book with basic recipes, whipped cream, pastry cream, etc., etc., etc. Lemon curd, make your own, etc. Wow! I am not going to give this book to Katie. I'm going to keep it. She can buy her own. Thanks for watching this cookbook review of Vallery Lomas, Life is What You Bake It. Fabulous. I highly recommend it. You can see more of our cookbook reviews and look-throughs on our Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, our website, cookbookdivas.com, and we have a podcast for those of you that like to listen to things. Thanks so much for watching, and please drop us a comment and let us know what you thought of this cookbook.